Ready API is a flexible API quality platform for development teams and the fastest and simplest way to create test automation across any workflow. You can create, manage, and execute automated tests in a centralized interface in just a click, and easily share those results across your organization, letting you deliver API quality faster than ever. To help make the process as simple as possible, Ready API consists of 3 modules, each one powerful by itself, but better when used together. The first is the test module. This is to create data-driven functional tests and validate API workflows end-to-end, all while scanning for the most common security vulnerabilities. Next is the performance module. This lets you generate load, stress, and spike tests so you can gain confidence in the speed and scalability of your APIs. And the virtualization module. With this, you can remove dependencies in your testing pipeline by quickly creating a mock of critical APIs and microservices. Flexibility, functionality, and scalability. All in a platform that supports multiple protocols, integrations, and definitions. Try it for free and accelerate your API quality today.